Let's go! Let's go! I'm about to share something absolutely fabulous with you. So, have you ever done van life? Do you know how I'm gonna hit the wall? If you have never done van life, make sure you know how high is your van, and if you change anything on the roof, make sure that it's still the same height, because what just happened is, so I changed my rooftop skylight, yeah? And then I tried to cross that bridge, motherfucker, yeah, that bridge, motherfucker, which is a 2 meter 3, motherfucker. And guess what? Guess what? Here, broken window, complete dispatch. Just cost me 1,000 something. All good. It was 2 months ago. All good. Do you want to live? I was thinking, it's quite nice to live in a little village, and then you're like, yeah, but it's made for small people. Fucking hell. Fucking hell! This 2 meter 3. Everybody love the van? You love the van? Why, I know you do. Harak, you good? Yeah! Let's go! They left with the tree. They're on the tree. Brilliant. Oh, chouquette. Allez, push, push. Oh. Allez, push, push. Oh my God. Hey, find another way. Oh no, she can do it. Magnifique. C'est ça la vie. So basically I had a stop to my friend's place, and my friend is working today. And so we have arak, which is a Lebanese drink, very hardcore. We all have this disgusting alcohol that you don't know if it's non-mu or is a proper drink from somewhere. And there was the beige one, the clear, is Vita, and she's escaping, and they're all stray dogs. We rescue them, and they don't listen. So I'm just gonna stay focused because right now they're running away. Oh, party time. So here we are, taking all those dogs, all rescued, all happy now. And yeah, I'm in south of France right now. I stopped for a week before going back up tomorrow to Strasbourg. I'm gonna try to do it. Make a German name glamorous, please. It's still French though, but yeah. Anyway, tomorrow morning going back home, and let's call it home. It's never been home, but once upon a time I was living there and my family is still there. So yeah, tomorrow heading there. 8 hours something on the motorway. It's not gonna be glamorous, but I really want to go straight to the point because it's 40 degrees out there on the road right now. Everywhere actually, isn't it? Mission accomplished. That's the actual situation. I just hit the road a few minutes ago, like an hour ago. I'm already falling asleep. It's gonna be very long, and for them too. But they are amazing, as usual. And you know what, I realize driving makes me fall asleep. You have no idea. Sorry. Yeah. motorway, so I'm paying for it because if I stay for too long on the départemental, like we say in French, I'm just gonna die there. I'm gonna die there. So I'd rather take the highway, even if it's a lot of people. I haven't paid anything yet, so I will tell you later how much is it from Montpellier, from where I come from, Carcassonne, southwest of France and the border of Spain nearly, to up to Strasbourg. I will tell you if it's worth it and how much is it. I know you can get it by Waze and all this stuff, but if you're already watching that video, maybe it can be informative, unless you are in another country and you will never come to France, which I understand.
In 3 kilometers, take exit 33 Sator towards Sator, continue.
I'm going to the beach now for the dogs because for them, they can't drive so long, so yeah, we're gonna stop there. See you in a bit. Can't press the button now. Finally arrived in such a beautiful place. It's a beautiful lake. It's 1.5 hours to go all around that lake. And the boys are super happy to the point where I can't find them. I see it there. They're there. But yeah, we drove quite a few hours, a couple of hours. We are now in Bourg-en-Bresse. And then it's gonna be time for us to put the mat, the covers, and to go to sleep. Ah, chouchou! And people are extremely nice, I have to say. It's quite refreshing, very refreshing. We are about 4 hours from Strasbourg, when I'm gonna head tomorrow, and I'm not feeling that happy about it, but you know, I'm gonna try to be in nature as much as I can. But my parents live in the city and I'm going to visit them, so let's see how it goes. It's not that nice. Here is really beautiful compared to where I'm going to take you, but you know, life is made with a lot of different things. Amazing. Oh, what did you see? Oh, what did that? It was a frog. It was a frog. Don't fall in it, d'accord? Oh là là, mon amour, allez hop hop hop. Obviously. Got excited. Oh my god, did you see that monster? Mais non, ça c'est un canard, chouchou, ça c'est un canard. Tu te calmes, c'est un canard ça. That's a duck, that's just a duck. It's not the same, it's not the same. And this is the end of our day and we can't complain really. And this is the good side of van life. Isn't it? Nanette. And I have to say, it's pretty much paradise because we are having all that space for us. Look at this. The van is there and nobody else except the ducks. And that's our spot for the night. This is it for now. Time to tidy up. I'm about to sleep and I kept the door open. I think the dogs are going to sleep outside because nobody can properly sleep. And it's a storm outside. Chouchou, Raphaël. There is a storm outside and I think I can't keep the light on because I'm gonna be full of mosquitoes. But yeah, that's the actual situation right now. We can't close the door. So luckily it's a very quiet place. I'm gonna try to show you the storm. Good morning. It's very early. Nobody slept much, especially now me. And the doggos are already outside. It's a bit messy, but I'm gonna make my coffee because look, that's the view of today. Who can complain after a heavy rain? Not really, actually. It wasn't a heavy rain. My dog left as usual. I opened the door and it was apocalypse. But that's the morning spot. Let's see where they are. Mon amour. On va faire à manger? Ouais. On va faire à manger. Oh. 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 We must be two people. One fisherman and one lost in the wild. But yeah, it was a lot of... Chouchou, tu veux manger? Food? Food! C'est bien mon ange. Allez, va dans l'eau. Oh, did you fall off? Did you fall off? No. Cover, you're covered. Go to your bro. Sit. 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 Alors, sit. Merci. Coucher. Merci. On va mettre là. 1, 2. No, you wait. You wait. Zachary. No. Zachary. Zachary. No. Julie. Allez, go back. Sit. Zachary. No, Zachary. Zachary, go. Zachary, go. You wait. No. Now you go. Non mais attends. Unbelievable, hein? Voilà. Tiens, chouchou. That's a real stick. Whoop, whoop. Très bien ça. Ouais, very good. Very good. Raphaël, allez viens chouchou. C'est bien.
Justement, je vais commencer par cette question-là, qui est la question un peu du livre, hein, finalement. Aujourd'hui,
We arrived. We are like half an hour. We are half an hour from the final point, and I thought I'm gonna take them to have a little walk somewhere I don't know, but look at that. How beautiful is that? beautiful is that? It's proper countryside. It's beautiful. Anyway, I'm gonna try to not cross too many horses because they are still not ready for that. But yeah, I drove 5 hours. One threw up, one had diarrhea, I can't say it anyway. And here we are. Who's that? Who's that? Sleeping? Sorry, did I wake you up? Did you say? What did you say? Ah, you must be happy. Oh. ¿Se connaît? ¿Qué pasa?